Back in the day when I started, you're either good at one thing or good at another. So you had jiu-jitsu players who were fantastic as soon as it hit the floor, but they were terrible stood up. You had some great wrestlers who, once it hit the floor, they were limited with groundwork. Thankfully, we've now got the elite level. Everything's so well done in a hybrid form. If you can dictate where the fight goes, you need to have that in your back pocket. In the first section, hopefully from it, you'll have confidence in how to hand fight, why you're hand fighting, where you're gripping, why, and how to keep yourself in a good position so you're not being counter-attacked. We're going to look at a bit more in depth in the over-under position, which you tend to see more in Greco-Roman wrestling. There's a little cheat code that we've got in the series, how to get the over-under from someone being really strong on the collar. Going in for high percentage attacks like the high single and high double, both attacks, if they fail, you're not ended up being sprawled on. And if they work, you end up on top in a standing position so you can start looking to pass. Looking at a bit of an old-fashioned way of attacking the guard as the old wrestler would do, and using cradles to pass the guard and start hunting the neck. For me, it's really important that every grappler has some kind of wrestling skills. Like, you don't have to be, a credible national level, participating for your nation level wrestler, but what we need to be able to do is fundamentally grab a person, control them, push, pull and rotate them, and not get subbed in the middle of it all.